Hi, I'm Dan Casera, founder and CEO at Core Group. We are just wrapping up our annual planning retreat called Focus 22 here in beautiful Austin, Texas. The purpose of this video is to share a little bit more about what it means to join Core. We have built a team of incredibly talented and passionate people who are really turning the restoration industry on its head. The people that work for Core are not just like anyone else in this industry. They're incredibly passionate about our mission to elevate the property damage restoration industry. If you think you want to make a change in your career and you want to join a company that's very different than anywhere else, think about going with Core.
What I really love about working at Core is that we do actually have an impact on this industry. I mean, the partnerships that our whole sales carrier team does on behalf of Core, on behalf of our service providers, we really are making a huge imprint and impact, not only on the restoration, but on the high net worth carriers, the insureds, and we're making a huge difference in their lives. We're not only improving the lives, but we're restoring their lives and restoring the home and putting it back together than what it was before.
I love working for Core because of its culture, and a lot of our employees are remote based, but we always are able to align ourselves and work jointly with one another and really get together as a community within our internal home.
I just love my team members. I mean, honestly, everybody that we have at the company has, probably pretty good tenure in the industry. We're aggressive. We really want to make a difference. So I just think the culture we've combined, it's unprecedented to anybody else in the industry at this point.
Is really just being able to work with friends. Like, these are friends of mine. If they weren't before, they are now.
The passion that everyone has for the company, the passion that everyone has for each other, and working with each other and helping each other grow.
I never get tired of learning something new each day that I work with my amazing team members.
What's different about working for Core is I really truly feel limitless. I feel like, there's no constraints at Core. Everyone feels valued. They feel like, they can provide their input. It's just a really supportive, positive environment, and I'm truly blessed to work here.
I mean, our vision, and everyone will say, is to elevate the industry.
I think the Core's vision in the industry is definitely elevate the industry.
Core's mission is just to elevate the property restoration industry.
Core's vision in the industry is to elevate the industry.
We're here to elevate the property restoration industry.
And that goes from taking these contractors and these independent contractors and giving them a voice and giving them a platform to actually compete out there on a national level. But on top of that, one of the best things is really flipping this industry upside down. It's been going in the same direction for a long time. It's time to change things.
We're not trying to be like anyone else. We don't want to be like anyone else. When you hear about us, you won't be able to compare us to anyone else either.
Core's vision in the industry is actually to change the way that the carriers and the contractors work together and to actually make it one team. We're all on the same team.